In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the public IP of an Azure virtual machine. Whether you're managing multiple virtual machines or just a single instance, knowing how to locate the public IP address of your virtual machine is crucial for remote access, configuration, and connectivity purposes. We'll be exploring a couple of straightforward methods using the Azure Portal, which provides a user-friendly interface for navigating through your Azure resources. Let's dive into the first method, which involves using the Azure Portal and the Overview section of your VM. To begin, you'll first need to log in to the Azure Portal. This is your home page for managing all kinds of Azure resources. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Virtual Machines section, where you'll see a list of all the machines you currently manage. Find the virtual machine you're interested in and go ahead and click on it. This brings you to the VM's Overview blade, which provides a snapshot of its status and key information. Here, amongst various details, look for the section labeled either Public IP Address or simply Public IP. Sometimes this information can be found under sections called Essentials or Basics, depending on how your Azure portal is organized. If your VM has a public IP assigned, you'll see it listed right there. However, if this field is blank or it says None, it means a public IP hasn't yet been allocated to your VM. In that case, you would need to configure a public IP if one is required. For a more detailed verification, you can explore further. In the same virtual machines area, select Networking for the specific VM. There, expand the section pertaining to the VM's network interface, commonly abbreviated as NIC. Under IP configurations, you'll be able to confirm if a public IP address is truly associated with the network interface used by your VM. Now, let's go over the second method involving the Azure Portal, using the Public IP Resource option. Again, within your Azure Portal, begin by searching for Public IP Addresses in the All Services section. This search will bring up a list of all public IP resources that exist within your account, across different resource groups. To narrow down the list, you can apply filters according to the resource group or the specific name of your virtual machine. Once you locate the public IP resource associated with your VM, click on it. This action will open a blade showing the IP address itself, along with any associated network interfaces. If you notice that the Associated To field is empty, this indicates that the IP address isn't currently linked to any VM or NIC. Knowing this can be particularly useful if you're troubleshooting connectivity issues. By following these methods, you'll effectively find the public IP address of your Azure virtual machine, enabling seamless management and operation within your networked environments. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.